Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share to stream games on your Bigo Live app. This works for both Android and iOS device users. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. And in saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your Play or App Store on your phone, search for Bigo, and make sure Bigo is up to date with the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open. And now once you've opened up Bigo Live, you want to click the camera icon at the bottom middle of your screen, and then from here you want to scroll across here. So you got virtual live, multi-guest, audio live, game live. So you want to click on game live, scroll across to game live, sorry, and then you want to click on choose game. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And now pick out the game you would like to stream live on your app. If you can't find it here, search in the game in the search bar at the top. But yeah, that's it guys, how to stream games live on Bigo Live app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.